Hi everyone, I'm Godwin and I work with the Santi Ministry. Santi means peace in Hindi, which is focusing on Indian, Nepali, and Pakistani community who lives in Yunlong and Kamtin area. God has given us the burden to reach out these minorities because they are neglected by the families and friends, and so it's very hard for them to get into connect with other people and also get integrate with the community. So what we do is we love them and show God's love, and also we give them a free tutorial classes for the minority children where they can come and do their homework from Monday to Friday. On Saturday, where they learn about Jesus and his characters, also Bible stories, songs and games and snacks with it. Yeah, we just want to show God's love because our neighbor are these people. This ministry started since 2007, and this ministry is part of YWAM, which is volunteer organization. Also, we work with the local church, which the Nepali church. On 2007, we started with the one kid where we teach Cantonese and Chinese, and also we invite them for Sunday service. So what past years happened is that because of one kid, there's a lot more kids came on Saturdays and learn about God and his characters. While the children are in the class, the parents are just hanging out. The pastor of the church made a connection with them and build a relationship. And so pastor invite the parents to come into church on Sundays. So the parents are started to come and the children are started to come. Right now, I can say that God has done a great and amazing things. That 15 children are added to the church, and also with that, the 15 families also added to the church in the Nepali church in Kamtin. And also, we can see that it's not there ended up. These children and the parents are active member of the Kamkam Nepali Christian Church. And also we just finished with a small training for the children where they learn about God and his characters. And the main goal is that what they learn and then they go out to tell others in the schools and in the church, the community. And that's what we've been doing it past years. And God has been faithful. And some of you from IBC came and helped us the beginning of the years. Christmas party was there, IBC came, and also some of the single individual who came and helped us on our kids club on Saturday. So God has done amazing thing. It's not only Santi Ministry, but with IBC, with the other volunteers from other churches and in YWAM team. I would like to share one story of what happened through our ministry. We also work with friendship evangelism, where we meet people in the park and walkway. Wherever we meet, we share the gospel. And one of my friend, he is an American, he also working with us. And one day we were walking on the street. One of the Chinese men who approached my friend to ask him to teach English. So we asked him to come to our place where we teach them English. And slowly, gradually we build a relationship and friendship with them. And so we find out that he is a Mormon. And he goes to Mormon church, and the church teaching and all, he doesn't like it. So gradually we share about the church, what we believe, who God is and his characters and everything. So my friend Jared invited him to come to his church, which is in Yunlong area. So he started going to his church, and slowly he accepted Jesus as a Lord and Savior. And not only that, at the beginning of this year, he also baptized in the church. So God is doing amazing things And we hope and pray that through his commitment to the Lord, that his family will come to know soon. This is a lot of stories here, but this is one of the things we see in miraculous things. First of all, I just want to say thank you so much for all your prayers and support. And we could not done without your prayers and financial support. And in order to continue in this mission, and we ask you guys to please continue to support us, what we do, so that we can able to do what we are doing it. Also, if you have a heart for children, or you wanted to serve in the minorities, you are most welcome. And God has given us a gifts and talents which we can use it. Our basic theme is love God with all your heart, with all your soul, and love your neighbor as yourself. That's the greatest and the first commandment which God has given to us. So if you are a Christian, if you are looking for to serve some way, this is the great way to start, and that God will use you. You don't have to be gifted or talented, but if you have a heart to serve, reach out anyone in the community, that God can use you. God sees a heart, not outside. So once again, thank you so much for all your prayers and support. I hope you will continue to support us. May God bless you all.